Welcome to our quarterly webcast. This short video will give you the chance to get acquainted with some of our experts' views. Roy, welcome.
Thank you.
When I think about Asian markets, the first thing that comes to mind are the newspaper headlines talking about Chinese growth slowdown. Did it translate into any visible changes?
Well, if you first look at the second quarter performance for the Asian Hard Currency Fund, indeed we had to contend with a slight negative performance in Q2. For the first half year, we're still in good positive territory. The reason of this underperformance was that indeed the investment grade bonds that we have were not doing that well, didn't compensate for the good performance of high yield bonds. And the reason for that was indeed that China had an issue, a slowdown, but that didn't reflect actually in the performance of the fund. It was more the treasury, so the US rates increase that caused the negative performance. Actually, the Chinese bonds that we have in our portfolio did fairly well.
Yeah. A lot of movement in the Chinese market. Do you still see opportunities?
Yeah, actually, if you look at our fund, we're overweight in China. The main reason being that we believe that the reforms that the Chinese government has started will lead to result. That may take some time, but we believe that the end result is a positive one.
Yeah.
On top of this, besides China, we have a regional fund. You see reforms taking place in countries like Indonesia and India, and we believe that will also lead to good results in due course.
Yeah. Well, let's look at the future. Can we expect some trends for the coming quarter?
Well, for the longer term, certainly we believe that Asian credit, as we call them, so investment in mainly corporates, will do better than in the US and Europe, just plainly because the yields are higher and also the fundamentals are stronger. We have a yield level currently at the fund at 4.6% for US dollar bonds. If you compare that to, let's say, the other region, that is a good level. Also take into account the fundamentals, which are fairly strong. So based on that, we believe that for the remainder of this year, we can expect a continuation of a positive trend.
Oh, let's look forward to the rest of 2015. Good to hear, Roy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And if you would like to hear more about our Asian market strategies or any other strategy, please visit us at nnip.com.